Welcome to Snowdonia. It's such a beautiful clear day. I just couldn't resist coming up here today. The view is so clear. I don't know if you can see over there. This is a really steep walk, coming all the way around and up to the ridge line and then straight to the summit. Then I'll go down towards the lakes, get a really good view, and if I've got time I'll come back up the ridge line and come back down this way. But wow, man, I am pooped already. Just need to rest. It's so unbelievably quiet. You hear the occasional plane going over, but you've got the stream going down through the valley, you can hear that. There's a lot of bugs out today, seen some bee flies and lots of gnats and mosquito type things. You'd think it was June. Seriously, this is amazing. I literally forgot how good this place was. You can see for absolute miles. The lake down there is a really deep dark blue. If you look over here behind me, that's the summit of Snowdon right there. And then if we come around this way, you got this really amazing peak here, which is part of the Snowdon Horseshoe. Oh man. What would be amazing is if I could go all the way around and end up coming back over here and then double back down this way. But it's a really long way and I don't have a tent. Yeah, if you've never been to Snowdon before, I highly recommend you come up here and have a walk. It's bloody fantastic. So now I'm going to head that way and head up to Snowdon Summit. Snowdon Summit is like just up there, and there's these chaps here, I think they're collecting stone or something like that, and there's all these helicopters coming in and picking up the bags and going and dropping it off over there somewhere. So I'm just going to sit here, wait for the next one to come along, and then they'll let me pass. Wicked timing. was amazing. Now you know how they bring the stones up here to make these stepped paths. That was amazing. Right, let's get to this summit now. Otherwise I'll never get there. There we are, folks, that's Snowdon right there. I've just been there and come up here to this other summit. It's absolutely beautiful. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go down into the basin right down by the lake and get some amazing shots. Last time I came up here it was completely and utterly shrouded with cloud, complete whiteout, I couldn't see anything, and now I'm blessed with these amazing views today. Couldn't have picked a better day. Right, let's get a move on now.